hiccups and then you're done. Like,
Pretty much. If I drink something fizzy too quickly, I'll get 2 hiccups and it'll just be done.
Sarah, that doesn't sound real. I don't know how that's...
Sorry, I think you made
it's actually a medicated reflux problem.
Nah. Alright. You're not doctor here.
Eye on your face, hey fucko. Oh, I need to get on point.
I still don't believe it.
I'm on point.
I'm gonna check every time I see you drinking now. I'm gonna count the hiccups. Like, you lied!
There's no way you just been lucky and got fucked. Poor guy and got fucked.
Well, I did.
Oh, where was the heal?
I'm protecting our Jeff. And also now dying.
Protect yourself.
No, I heard you come around the corner and I was like, I wonder if I can help shove them off the edge, but I couldn't because I got slept.
Alright, now I'll bring out Punisher.
Only 60
That's a directly found something. I forgot which way I was going.
Oh, sorry, bro.
Watch out.
Oh my lord.
Oh.
Holy shit! God, I'd be so mad at.
Love to see it.